Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI. Are you looking for a way to make tummy time a little more interesting for your little one? Well, I definitely was, and I'm so glad I found this activity gym from Infantino. It's 4-in-1, it grows with your child, which is the best part. He loves being in here to do tummy time because there's a lot to look at. You can put your own toys in here, and it just makes it a lot more fun for them. Eventually, it becomes a ball pit for a toddler, which is so fun. You just put the little sticks inside of those slots, and it stands up with that mesh to keep all the balls inside. And meanwhile, while you're not using the balls, you can just stuff them into the sloth, which is really convenient for storage. And my baby loves it. He loves just looking at all the overhead toys. It's good stimulation for him. We also love the fun and vibrant colors and how easy it is to move from room to room. So if you're in the market for an activity gym to make tummy time a little more fun for your baby, or just to keep them entertained in a different way, definitely check this one out from Infantino. You're gonna love it. It's really cute, very durable, and it's got lots to keep your little one entertained. And that's my point of view.